Hi Ado, I wanted to discuss with you some of the items on the drawing that you sent me for the new register. And some of the things that we figured out while creating the last ones. Here you put the new thing is the bullets, like what essence will get you, and then you put a button in change button, put in the primary color. Why I put in the secondary color, that is the shade of our primary colors, is that we have a palette of colors and we can't really control it. So giving it the shade will give it more consistency, and also the red and green have their own predefined meanings in people's heads. Red is usually nerd message, and I think it could be scary, and a lot of our agents like red color. And also green is positive. So even when somebody gets an error message, they could just skim it over because everything is so green and they think everything is fine. That's why I put this secondary colors, I mean shades of the primary colors, so all of those error messages would pop out better. The bullets, what I want to talk to you about, they are not really eye-catching, and people would just skim this over. And what I think you wanted to do, correct me if I'm wrong, is to push them to give us better data and to see the benefits of registering. What I wanted to propose is this. New York Times did a really good research uh, about login and registering and pushing people to log in and register. Really aggressive stance when they redesign this page. So we can do something like this: have a sign up form and then have an image and something and all of those points that you made, have them really bigger and have them pop out and people read them, so they would register and leave us better data. I'll create the same one that you told me to, and I'll create this one, and so you can mull it over. And one more thing, this pop-up screen that we have in this register form, that's usually in the older ones, um, after registering, it's kind of superfluous. I mean, people don't need it to have a pop-up and then you go to listing. It's a one more added step that I think, in my opinion, it's a little too much. So everybody wants to see the listing, okay, they'll skim it over. We have a bigger images, so we don't need this little slideshow. We can make in those slideshow in these images, but I don't think that's necessary. People usually want, when you're looking for a real estate, they usually want to go to directly to listings. So even if when they register, they have this pop-up constantly coming up at them. So whatever we do, I'll send even that mock-up to you. We should probably remove it if you agree with that. Thank you.